Yeah. No, I just figured you can go out and play a bit. I'm going to end up taking a bath. What do you say? This is the TR6 for dual sporting. I just found it. on the rock.
You catch on quick. It's a camera.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
Yeah, it's when you hit from first to second though, it's just like a shock.
I know.
But the motor's a pretty good tractor motor, so even if you're into it, it just
Yeah. And like I was saying, those carburetor mods, they smooth that all out. Gives you more torque. And they're off.
Did you get to play?
Oh yeah. That's a nice bike. It is really nice.
I gotta tweak it yet, but
I don't know what else you could tweak, man. It pulls the wheel up whenever you want.
yeah, but it's the fuel economy is like really sucky right now, so.
Yeah, but I don't think that was the purpose of this bike, was fuel economy.
You want to ride the KTM back to back?
No, that's all right.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah, I rode that yesterday.
Okay.
Now between the two, I don't know which one. They both have their advantages.
Yeah. The KTM's a little smoother, but that's definitely more powerful.
This thing seems to be more nimble than that.
Yeah.
You toss it and.
They wanted to flick a little easier.
And ride it on like real twisty roads, I'm more comfortable on this than that. On that, if I'm in the sand, I haven't had this in the sand, but in the sand last time we were in Georgia, I mean I was having a blast with that thing. Just
I think that one will be just as, I think you'll have just as much fun on that one. So.
Yeah. Let's double back around. Hello.
Are they exploring or?
We're still stopped.
I told them to take off. We're going that way. So.
Okay.
Ready to start?
That was funny when you came over the headset and you're like, the KTM fits you, Dan.
I sat there and I said, there's a 50-50 chance that Sarah will be on there or not.